top one goes rims, tires, tire mount, sport gear, weighted sport gear holders, and then Super G ourselves, we donated a Rocky 2 as a grand prize of the raffle.
Well, hey guys, it's 7Demo7, and this is a bunch of video that I shot from the 2-day competition that I was involved with at Super G. It's a drift track here in Southern California. We had a tandem battle on Friday and also a Tweezo head-to-head competition on Saturday. Now, I'm gonna put in just a bunch of video that I've taken, and so some of you guys will be in some of the shots, and this is not gonna be super edited, but it'll be really fun to watch for you guys that were involved and some of you guys that weren't. Okay guys, so this is my qualifying run from day 2. This is the better of my 2 runs. I'll show you the clipping points, guys. There's one here on this back rail here, which is pretty hard to hit, and run this whole painted area here without hitting anything. Nose clip right here, I did pretty good. I did qualify 11th. Another clipping tail clip right over here along this back edge, another hard one to hit, and the final one coming into the deep finishing section right there. So that was my qualifying runs, and here is how we all qualified. I'm in the very lowest end of the bracket right down there with Mark Santa Cruz, which I ended up doing okay against. Here's our run against Mark Santa Cruz. So this was a pretty hard fought battle. I don't know if you guys caught at the last part of Mark's run that he actually ran out of bounds, which basically is a crash. So I didn't actually notice that he had done that when we were driving. I thought it was going to be a close decision, but after the judges took a look at the replay, then they noticed that he definitely went out of bounds. So luckily I won that run. Here's my teammate Miko. He's part of Team GGT, and he's coming through here on his qualifying run here. He actually qualified 3rd. He did a really good job. Well, okay guys, so the video that is to follow is a big compilation of a lot of the video that I shot. The video that I shot was basically for reference purposes, so I could show my teammates how they did and whatnot. I didn't really do angled shots, and this is not going to be a fully edited video which is going to have, you know, music set to it and set to the beat and all that stuff. This is basically so for the people that were there and my subscribers, so they can kind of see what competitions are like. It's going to be long, there's going to be a lot of videos. So I did put the Tweezo battles, which is a Saturday event, before the twin tandem battles. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is my buddy Shane and one of the NorCal guys finishing up their runs there. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.
Watch the lights. Wow. Side by side finish. Very nice.
Well, okay, so up to this point, you guys have been watching Tweezo battles, which are head-to-head competition, where there's clipping points and lead versus follow, follow versus lead. Now what you guys are watching is a team competition. There's a team versus another team. These two cars are on the same team, and basically the point is you want to stay in close proximity with your teammate. There are no clipping points. It's a style event, so you want to stay as close to your partner as possible without hitting them. You'll see, guys, there are some very seasoned pros here and some beginners. You'll see the difference, and these guys that we're watching here did a great job. Anyway, enjoy. Thanks.